Hey everybody, welcome back to Stamps Bros. David here, and we got something special in for you guys. It's the BMW e34 535i, but the owner customized it to look like an M5. It's pretty filthy, as you guys can see, so we're gonna give it the Stamps Bros treatment. So these are my favorite BMW rims. They're the M parallel rims, and the car has even been lowered on coilovers. So the BMW 535i came with 208 horsepower, 225 pound-feet of torque, but let's not mention the 0 to 60 time because it was kind of crap. Back then, it was all about the ride rather than the speed. It's amazing how much this car looks like an M5 from the outside. The attention to detail is crazy. He has the side mirrors from the M5, the seats, and the steering wheel. So while I'm drying off the vehicle, why don't you guys take the opportunity to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, check out our online store. We have cool shirts, sweaters, hoodies, posters to decorate your guys' setups with, mugs, coasters, you name it, we have it.
Here at Stance Bros, we're recognized as one of Calgary's premier detailing spas. Our meticulous attention to detail ensures every vehicle entrusted to us leaves looking its best. Join us on this channel as we showcase our passion for cars, detailing expertise, and exciting car content. At Stance Bros, we're cultivating a community united by our passion for all things automotive.
Nice stance, bro.